Hi, good morning, everybody. It's another e-learning day, and you are going to be working through a Gizmo, but I want to show you just something that you need to do if you don't have the ability to print off the paper, because you can print off the paper or you can do the digital version of the paper. So first, get logged into your Gizmo. And when you get logged into the Gizmo, you need to minimize your screen. And then you need to have the Word doc open. Minimize your Word doc. And so here, you can have the Word doc and the Gizmo side by side, so that you do not have to keep going from one to the other. It will save you a whole lot of time. The important thing to know here is that you need this space between the two, and then you can just adjust, make each one as wide as possible. So here you can see, you can print this copy out and then write on it, or you can simply delete the lines provided and just put your answer as you go. And again, delete the lines so that it does not change the formatting. Okay, so place the dog on the right pan of the balance. What happens? So when you do that, you'll simply delete this line and then, excuse me, enter your answer. I suspect this will help you navigate through the Gizmo much faster if you have the two set up side by side on your desktop. Message me with any questions.